Hello, English learners, and welcome back to Mr. English Talks. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that touches something deep in all of us: how we feel about our own appearance. In the world of social media, it's easy to feel insecure, to compare ourselves, and to think we need to look a certain way to be accepted. But what if I told you that in just 7 days, you could see a dramatic improvement in how you look and, more importantly, in how you feel about yourself? Not through expensive surgeries or magic pills, but through a powerful concept called looksmaxing. Now, looksmaxing is simply the practice of maximizing your natural looks through controllable habits. It's about becoming the best, most confident version of you. And the best part, it's not about being perfect. It's about progress. So, for the next 7 minutes, I'm giving you a simple, actionable, 7-day looksmaxing routine that will fix your looks by fixing your habits. Are you ready? Let's begin your 7-day transformation. Before we start, the core philosophy: looksmaxing is not about becoming someone else. It's about honoring the canvas you were given. Think of it like this: if you bought a beautiful, high-performance car, you wouldn't pour dirty fuel into it, never wash it, and leave it out in the rain. You'd maintain it, fuel it well, and keep it clean so it can shine. Your body and face are the same. This routine is about basic, high-impact maintenance that 90% of people neglect. It works because consistency beats intensity every single time. Day 1. The hydration and sleep reset. Today, we attack the two biggest levers for your appearance: water and rest. Your mission is simple. First, drink at least 3 liters of water. Get a big bottle and fill it. Dehydration makes your skin look dull, your eyes tired, and your brain foggy. Second, you must get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. This is non-negotiable. Sleep is when your body repairs skin cells, reduces puffiness, and balances hormones. Tonight, put your phone away 1 hour before bed. Read a book, listen to calm music, or plan your English study for tomorrow. When you wake up on day 2, you will already see a difference: brighter eyes and clearer skin. Day 2. The skincare foundation. Today, we establish a basic, 3-step skincare routine. You don't need 10 products. You need consistency. Step 1. Cleanse. Wash your face gently in the morning and before bed to remove dirt and oil. Step 2. Moisturize. After cleansing, apply a simple moisturizer to keep your skin barrier healthy. Step 3. Sunscreen. This is the most important anti-aging, skin-protecting product in the world. Apply it every single morning, even if it's cloudy. This one habit will prevent wrinkles, dark spots, and skin damage for decades. In just 1 day, your skin will feel cleaner and more alive. Day 3. The posture and presence power-up. How you carry yourself changes everything. Today, practice perfect posture. Imagine a string pulling the top of your head towards the ceiling. Roll your shoulders back and down. Keep your chin parallel to the floor. Do this every time you remember sitting at your desk, walking, standing, and lying. Practice speaking slowly and clearly. Good posture instantly makes you look taller, more confident, and more attractive. It also improves your breathing and voice. Record yourself reading an English paragraph with slouched posture, then with perfect posture. Hear the difference. See the difference. Day 4. the nutrition glow up. You cannot out-train or out-skincare a bad diet. Today, you will eat for your skin and energy. Avoid processed sugars and greasy fried foods. They cause inflammation and breakouts. Instead, focus on 3 things: lean protein chicken, fish, beans for cell repair, colorful vegetables spinach, carrots, bell peppers for vitamins, and healthy fats avocado, nuts, olive oil for skin hydration. Have a big, colorful salad. Drink green tea. Notice how your energy is steadier and your mind is sharper. What you eat directly shows on your face. Day 5, the grooming and detail day. Today is about sharpening the details. Get a clean, professional haircut or trim. It frames your face. Trim and shape your eyebrows. Neat brows create a more alert, polished look. Thoroughly clean and trim your nails. Iron your clothes. Wear an outfit that fits you well. These are small signals that say, I pay attention. I respect myself. When you look in the mirror today, you will see a person who is put together. This builds immense self-confidence. Day 6, the exercise and circulation boost. You don't need a 2-hour gym session. Today, you need 45 minutes of movement. Go for a brisk walk, a jog, a bike ride, or follow a bodyweight workout video on YouTube. Exercise pumps oxygen-rich blood to your skin, giving you a natural, healthy glow. It reduces stress, which lowers cortisol, a hormone that can cause breakouts and weight gain. It also improves your sleep. The post-workout endorphins will make you feel happier and more vibrant. This glow is the best makeup in the world. Day 7, the confidence and smile finale. The most attractive thing any person can wear is confidence. And confidence comes from preparation. You've prepared for 6 days. Today, your mission is to practice kindness and wear a smile. Look people in the eye. Give one genuine compliment. When you speak English, don't apologize for small mistakes. Smile and continue. Stand in a power pose for 2 minutes before you leave the house. Your smile is your ultimate looks-maxing tool. It lights up your face, makes you approachable, and actually makes you feel happier. Today, you are not just a better-looking version of yourself. You are a more confident, radiant human being. And there you have it. 7 days. 7 powerful habits that compound into a transformation. This isn't magic. It's biology and self-respect. You have systematically given your body what it needs to thrive: water, rest, clean skin, good food, strong posture, and confident energy. The person in the mirror on day 7 is the person that was always there, just waiting to be polished. Remember, your journey in English is the same. It's not about being perfect on day 1. It's about the daily practice, the consistent habits: learning a few new words, listening for 15 minutes, speaking without fear. You are maximizing your mind just as you are maximizing your looks. If this 7-day challenge inspired you, I want to see you succeed. Don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Talks for more routines that improve your life and your language skills. Hit the like button if you're accepting the 7-day challenge, and tell me in the comments. Day 1 starts tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Believe in the power of your daily habits. Keep learning, keep growing, and I will absolutely see you in the next video.